I'll just show you how to sync your mobile phone to the Bluetooth system in the Ford Fiesta. It's the Sony system. So first of all, we click Bluetooth, make sure it's on, and then we have the phone button there. Scroll down to Bluetooth devices, click the OK button in the middle, and you see there at the bottom, those are the phones that are already in, but at the bottom you have Add, Delete, Connect and Master. Those correspond to these buttons here, so we want to add a phone. Please begin pairing by searching
for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
Okay, so that's showing hands-free there. It's now changed to sync, so sync.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
So it does, so we pair on there, and then we click that left button for yes. Pairing successful.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions, and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Set Barry's phone as favourite phone. Well, I don't want to do that, so we'll knock that off. Download phone book, I don't want to do that either. I won't be using this car again. So, but that's it done. Now the other great feature about the Ford Sony Bluetooth system is if we go to music, and there we go, the bottom of my iPhone and sync, so it's already paired to sync for the music, so we'll cancel that. And if I click auxiliary, so that's once, and it's showing there, I'll just turn it up. I won't be able to play the sound or the music over the this video, otherwise YouTube will see it as a copyright infringement and knock the whole audio track on, but just for my own peace of mind. Yep, so that's working. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a phone from the Bluetooth Sony system in the Ford Fiesta. From any screen, phone buttons here, click phone, click BT, which is the second button in. It's showing the list of phones there. That's the one I want to delete, Barry's phone, so I just use this to, as you can see, you can go up or down there. Then you've got the four buttons along the bottom: Add, Delete, Connect or Master. Delete is second, so I want to delete that, and then yes is the first one. So that's that gone.